David Sinclair, a globally renowned scientist from Harvard Medical School and the leading figure behind the discovery of NMN, has become a major advocate for another longevity and anti-aging compound on Twitter following his promotion of NMN and resveratrol, alpha-ketoglyceric acid, AKG. AKG, also known as 2-oxyglutaric acid, was found in a 2014 study to extend the lifespan of the microscopic worm Caenorhabditis elegans by more than 50%. As a potential anti-aging therapy, AKG has attracted significant attention. Mice given AKG not only lived longer, but also remained healthier for longer, with an extended disease-free period. Remarkably, AKG significantly reduced gray hair in elderly mice and appeared to reverse the biological aging clock by up to 16 years. On September 1, 2020, the Buck Institute for Research on Aging, the world's first research institution dedicated to aging, published a groundbreaking study in Cell Metabolism showing that AKG could reduce biological age by an average of 8.5 years and up to a maximum of 16 years. These results were based on health span biomarkers, which assess clinical indicators of a healthy lifespan. For the first time in studies involving mammals, AKG demonstrated the following key functions. 1. Activates all 7 sirtuin longevity genes, SIRT1-7. 2. Epigenetic regulation. The epigenome, a complex regulatory system around DNA, controls which genes are switched on or off. As we age, this regulation becomes imbalanced. Genes that should be silenced are activated, and protective genes, like tumor suppressors, are turned off. This epigenetic drift is one of the causes of aging, and AKG helps rebalance it. 3. Regulates TET enzymes, which play a crucial role in reprogramming the epigenome to a younger state. 4. Acts as a metabolic link between carbohydrates and amino acids. As we age, our cells become less flexible in switching between energy sources. AKG helps maintain this metabolic flexibility longer. 5. Boosts autophagy. Supplementation with AKG significantly increases the transcription of autophagy-related genes such as ATG1, ATG5, ATG8A, and ATG8B. 6. Supports detoxification, helping the body eliminate harmful substances. 7. Improves mitochondrial health. AKG serves as mitochondrial fuel, providing more energy and endurance. This is why many athletes and bodybuilders take AKG supplements long-term. Most importantly, it has an excellent safety profile. It also promotes collagen synthesis, helping reduce fibrosis, and playing a vital role in maintaining healthy, youthful skin. 8. Directly targets genes and stabilizes the genome. These findings establish AKG as a promising candidate in the field of aging and age-related research, with significant implications for future longevity studies.